Yes. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Today we will do the question answer. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday we started with a question answer but could not complete. Today let's do it. Why was Mr. Hill upset with Annie? Because she was not a good cook. This we discussed. Then what did Mr. Hill expect his wife to do in the parties? Yes. What did Mr. Hill expect his wife to do in the parties?
To attend this waste the time in kitchen.
Rija, mute yourself. Yes. Mr. Hill expected his wife to meet the
Expected his wife to meet the guests.
meet the guest
Ma'am, he
instead of
wanted to. He wanted his wife to meet and socialize with people who came to his house for parties.
parties. Yes. How can we say that Mrs. Hill was a kind-hearted, considerate lady?
And when Mrs. Hill told his wife that, when Mr. Hill told his wife that Annie should go and they must hire a new cook, and she objected, saying that Annie had worked with them for 20 years, and she also tried to convince Mr. Hill that it would be difficult for her to find a new job at such an old age.
Yes. Now, what was Annie's reaction when she came to know that Mr. Hill had lost his job? What was Annie's reaction when she came to know? Did she leave Mr. Hill and go away? Yes.
When Annie came to know that Mr. Hill had lost his job, she told him that it didn't matter if he couldn't pay her. She would continue working as she had a feeling of belongingness towards the house where she had worked for 20 years, and she was understanding, sympathetic, and considerate woman.
Yes. And she was also ready to serve him without taking any salary. Yes. Okay. Next one is read the extract and play the answer the question. How will she find a new job? Who is she? Who is she?
She is the Annie.
She
She
refers to
refers to the
Annie.
Annie.
Yes, good.
Okay, raise your hand, children. Yes, Akansha. She is the
She
Annie.
refers Annie.
And why should she look for a new job?
She looked for a new.
Anupriya. Okay, answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer.
She looked for a new job because Mr. Hill wanted to leave him,
Wanted to remove
remove
her
her.
and get a new
Ma'am,
place.
because Mr. Hill
Yes.
wants her to go as she thinks she's a bad cook.
As he thinks that she is not a good cook. Why will it be difficult for her to find a new job?
Because she was old.
No, not
Ma'am, it
you.
will be.
Anupriya. Anupriya.
Ma'am, it is be difficult for her to find a new job because she is grown old.
She is now old. She is now old and it will be difficult for her to find a new job. Okay. Next one. Why does the speaker react in such a manner? Who was
The
the speaker,
speaker,
sir?
React is
Mrs. Hill. Mrs.
Yes,
Hill is the speaker here.
Mrs. Hill is the speaker. Yes. Why did she react in such a manner?
Because her
Mrs.
husband,
Hill reacted
Mr.
in such a manner because Annie has been working for them for 20 years, and Mrs. Hill is a kind-hearted and considerate lady and understands Annie's problem.
Yes, she was a kind-hearted and considerate lady and she could understand Annie's problem. Okay, next one. We had to do it, sir. We were only thinking of the bank. Who does sir refer to and who are we here? Who is sir?
Sir refers to
Sir refers to
Mr.
Mr.
Hill,
Hill and
to the manager of the bank, and we refers to
at the
Briggs,
bank and the
manager of the
cashier.
bank, and Winter, the
Yes,
cashier.
sir is Mr. Hill and we refer to Winter and the cashier
Brick,
and
Mr. Hill
Brick, the
and we
assistant
are
manager of the bank.
manager. Assistant manager, yes. Why does the speaker react? Sorry, what did they have to do? What did they have to do?
They
They
have
have
to
to-
remove
they
the.
Ma'am, they had to tell Mr. Hill to resign from his job
they have
as
to
a
tell
manager of the bank
Mr.
and
Hill to resign from the
1
bank.
minute, children. Children, I have already told you that you should raise your
Ma'am,
hand.
mute everyone.
Raise
Mute
your hand.
everyone.
The bank.
All are muted children. They open up and then say, raise your hand. When I take your name, then only you will answer. Okay? Now those who want to answer, raise your hand. Aditya Hansraj. What did they have to do?
Mr. Hill reacted in
What did they have to do? Garima.
hello.
Yes.
They had to tell Miss hello.
Yes,
They
yes,
had
I
to
can hear.
they had to tell Mr. Hill to resign from his job.
Yes.
Resign
they
from his
had to-
job as the manager of the bank. They had
Yes.
taken permission
Bus,
for the
bus.
head office
1 minute. This is the expert.
only 30 line, 30 words.
Only one line answer. They had to tell him what
Yes,
did they have to do.
ma'am.
They had to tell him that he must resign. Only this much answer, children. Okay?
He must resign.
Yes, he must resign. What was their reason for doing so? You can give any
Ma'am,
one
can I?
reason.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I?
They wanted Mr. Hill to
Doing so that
Ma'am,
the
can
manager
I?
was not managing the bank well.
Ma'am, they wanted
Ma'am, can
Mr. Hill to
I?
resign because they felt that he was
Children,
not
what
doing
did
his
I
job
say?
sincerely.
What
And
did I say? I told you now, you will just raise your hand and when I take your name, you will answer. Why are you answering out of turn? Yes, Janvi, give the answer.
Yes, ma'am. The reason for doing so was Mr. Hill do not manage the bank well, and he was also not nice to the people of the bank.
Bus. Okay. Now, children, this question, if it is asked for more than 2-3 marks, then you have to give the elaborate answer, which I asked you to underline. Didn't I ask you to underline the reasons why they wanted him to go resign? Yesterday I gave you the reasons, na? You had to underline those reasons.
yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So if it is for more than 2-3 marks, then you will give all the reason. Now here it is for 1 mark, so you can give one reason only.
1 to 2.
Yes, 1 or 2 reason is enough. Now, but George, why have you changed suddenly? What kind of a man was George earlier? Yes,
earlier,
Surabhi?
George was a
Earlier,
rude.
George was
Who's
rude
answering?
in
Who's answering? Surabhi, give the answer. Surabhi 8C. Akansha, give the answer.
Ma'am, earlier the George was self-centered and rude man.
Yes. Earlier he was self-centered and rude. Next. What changes have come over George? What changes have come over George? Aditya Hansraj. Aditya Hansraj, give the answer.
George has become kind, considerate, and sensitive and caring.
Yes, he has changed. He has become considerate, kind, and Considerate and kind, you can say.
Ma'am,
Now, what is
his
the
name?
reason for these changes? What is the reason for these changes? Aditya Raj Kondaliya, 8F. Pavni,
Yes, ma'am.
Pavni,
A bad dream.
yes.
Yes, ma'am. A bad dream which he had in the afternoon made him realize his mistake and changed him into a compassionate man.
Yes, what is the reason for these changes? A bad dream which he had seen in the afternoon that changed him completely. The reason for these changes is the bad dream. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next
Yes,
one
ma'am.
is thoughts. Mr. Hill had a bad dream. Was the dream really bad? Do you think the dream was really bad? What will you call it?
Bad.
Although children, the name of the chapter is a bad dream. Do you think the dream is really bad or is it an eye opener for Mr. Hill? Now, Mr. Hill was very self-centered and he was not bothered for others. He could not understand the problem of Annie, and that is why he wanted to remove him. But in the dream, when the same thing happens with him, he realizes that he realizes Annie's problem, and now he's a changed man. So, do you think the dream is really bad? Who would like to answer? Akansha?
Ma'am Pavni.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Pavni? Okay, Pavni,
Ma'am,
give the answer.
ma'am, can I?
And Annie, the
Let
cook at
Pavni give.
Mr. Hill's house,
Pavni give.
Annie, Annie, the cook at Mr. Hill's house, had worked for the family for 20 years and she considered the home to be her own. And it would be difficult for her to find a new job at her age. But Mr. Hill was inconsiderate and insensitive, as he wanted her to go because she was a bad cook. And his dream taught him a lesson. He dreamed that the staff of the bank had visited him and told him to resign as he did not work efficiently and he was not nice to the staff members. But Mr. Hill was very upset and tried to reason them but failed. And when he woke up, he realized that he had put Annie in the similar situation. And he was regretful and his bad dream changed into a good human being.
Okay, good. Akansha, you would like to answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, give the answer.
Ma'am, the bad dream of Mr. Hill changed his life. Changed his life because he was a rude and inconsiderate man, and the dream taught her a lesson to be being considerate and helpful towards the other people.
Yes, good. Okay. Now the next one, life skill. Assuming the dream to be a reality, do you support Mr. Hill's decision to leave Mrs. Hill's decision to leave Mr. Hill at the time when he needed her most? Now, in the story, it so happens that in the dream, when Mr. Hill loses his job, that is when he is asked to resign from the job, and then after that only he sees that Mrs. Hill is also, after that he sees that Mrs. Hill is also leaving him. Now, children, what do you think? Should Mrs. Hill is his life partner? Now, should the life
Can,
partner leave him and go away at this time?
ma'am,
What
can
do
I?
you think?
Ma'am, can
Can
I?
I?
Who wants to answer? Who wants to
Ma'am,
answer?
Ma'am
Janvi.
Pavni.
Ma'am,
Ma'am
Janvi.
Pavni.
Can't we give the
Ma'am,
answer?
Yes, ma'am. No, Mrs. Hill's decisions was bad as at the time when Mr. Hill needed her most to support him and to think positive and to give him company in order to start a new life.
Yes. Anyone else? Akansha, you would like to answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, give
Uh,
the answer.
acco- in my point of view, Mrs. Hill decision to leave the Mr. Hill was not right. She was his life partner, and she had to support him in this time of need.
Yes. She should have supported him in this time of need. When he needs her most, at that time
Ma'am
she is
Pavni,
leaving him and going away. Yes?
Ma'am Pavni, can I answer?
Yes, give the answer. Pavni?
Ma'am, no. No, it was not right to leave Mr. Heel at the time of difficulty because at this time only he needed her help the most, and she should have stayed with him and have provided some mental support to him.
Yes, she should have given mental support. If not financial, at least mental support the wife can give. Okay. Now the next question. What according to you should be the code of conduct of a bank manager with their employee and their customer? Now, what is expected from a bank manager towards his employees? First of all, he is working with the employee and he is dealing with the customers. So both are important. Customers are also important and his employees are also important. Now, who would like to give the answer? Aditya Hansraj.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, can
No.
I?
Akansha, give the answer.
Ma'am, according to me, the code of conduct to the bank manager was to be compassionate and considerate towards their employees, and not to be rude towards the employees. Then after, the employees will work hard and uh,
And it will be beneficial for the bank if they will work hard. Yes.
yes,
And
ma'am.
what about with the customers? Customers?
He should provide quality service. He should value his customers.
Yes. Any other point anyone is having?
Ma'am, can I answer?
Is employee, they will work hard. So both way it is correct. You have to be considerate towards your employees also, and you have to be very good towards your customers also. Then only you can get business. Yes. Anyone have any other point you can discuss?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am
Yes.
Pavni.
Who would like to say?
Ma'am Pavni.
Pavni, give the answer.
Code of conduct is a behavior that a bank manager should show towards their employees and customers, and the bank manager should promote honesty and maintain ethical conduct. The bank manager should put his or her sincere efforts to strive for reaching the goals and business targets besides maintaining trust and retaining the quality work environment. And it is a sheer responsibility of the bank
Speak
manager to maintain
loudly,
harmony between
loudly.
the
You're very.
um, Ma'am, the bank manager should promote honesty and maintain ethical conduct. The bank manager should put his or her sincere efforts to strive for reaching the goals and business targets besides maintaining trust and retaining the quality work environment. It is a sheer responsibility of the bank manager to maintain harmony between bank employees and customers.
Yes, very good. Okay. Now the next question. That is value. Children, after life skill, what do we have? What do we have?
Ma'am, values.
Values, no?
Values.
Compassion for our fellow being should be an integral part of our existence. Compassion for our fellow being. Children, you have done compassion in reader. What does compassion mean? Daya. Daya.
Be kind towards the other.
Yes. Your compassion for your fellow being. Fellow being means people with whom you are living should be an integral part of our existence. Now, children, we all are existing on this earth because we have compassion for each other. Otherwise, this existence will become very difficult. Why? Because we cannot survive without the help of others. All of us should follow this. Now, anyone wants to say anything about this? Pavni Patel?
Yes, ma'am. Compassion is a very simple word with a profound meaning, and it is not only the outward kindness shown to others, but it has to be ingrained in us to feel for others. You should be compassionate towards everyone, as this is the best way to
Every
create
living being,
happiness.
yes.
And each one of us should have this quality in us.
Yes. Yes, Akansha.
Compassion is compassion is for our fellows being should be integral part of our existence, because um, with our kind hearted we can help others, and at the time of need they also gave gave us back to our help.
Yes. Okay, next one is writing skill.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, any
ma'am,
problem?
ma'am,
Yes.
couplets of bangles फिलहाल का क्वेश्चन लिखना है.
Abhi nahi. When I finish this, then we will discuss that. Nahi. Imagine you are Mr. Hill, your unpleasant conversation with Mr. Brigg and Mr. Winter awakens your conscience and changes your attitude towards Annie. Unpleasant conversation with Brigg, okay, and Winter awakens your conscience. आपकी conscience अंतर आत्मा को जागृत कर देती है. And changes your attitude. आपका रवैया एनी के प्रति बदल जाता है. क्यों? क्योंकि आपने ड्रीम में देखा कि आपके संग भी वही हुआ जो आप एनी के साथ करने जा रहे थे. Yes. Write a diary entry expressing your feelings for her before and after your meeting with the visitor. Now, what are your feelings before you met the visitors? That means before that, you did not have any mercy for Annie. You just wanted her to quit the job and you should get a new maid in place of her without considering how long she has served you and without considering that she is getting old. But after the dream, because in the dream you see that the same thing is happening with you. So after the dream, you realize what she will face in case you ask her to leave. And so you change. Now this you have to write. Who would like to give the answer? Pavni? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Dear diary. Ma'am, dear diary,
Yes.
it was really a strange day. I had a dream during my afternoon nap, which has completely changed me. After becoming the bank manager, I had become rude and arrogant. I even wanted Annie, our cook for past years, to be dismissed as she made bad food. I was only concerned about my reputation among my guests. I did not even consider her old age. I just wanted to make my customers happy. But my dream awakened my conscience and changed my attitude towards Annie. In the dream, I saw that I had to resign as I hadn't discharged properly and no one in the bank liked me. My dream made me realize Annie's situation, who is just like our family member, and I felt very sorry and decided that I would keep her and bring someone else to help her in her work. Good night.
ma'am, can I?
Okay, good. Yes, Akansha, give the answer.
Dear diary, I had wired dream and completely changed my point of view and my opinion. I realized how rude I am and become upon being a bank manager. I have turned into arrogant and rude boss. I misbehaved with Annie and our old cook. I was not considered about the old age, but I more concerned about the reputation. The dream awakened me and realized people in my office do not want to me anymore because I am of my condition. I felt apologize for Annie. I will get her a helping hands, Mr. Hill.
Yes, good. Very good. Now, children, we have missed this exercise. The words given below describe either Mr. Hill or Mrs. Hill. Read them
Ma'am,
carefully. Yes.
मैम
Any
अगर एग्जाम में डायरी एंट्री आएगा या फिर कोई भी राइटिंग स्किल में से क्वेश्चन आएगा तो मैम कितना उसमें लिखना है?
diary
मैम एक
entry. Now, children, I told you, no, according to the marks, if it is for 5 marks, you have to write 80 words. If it is for 3 marks, you have to write 40 to 50 words, or maybe 30 40, 50, 60 words you have to write. And if it is for very short answer, 2 marks, then you can write 15 to 20, 30 words. Actually, we don't count the words, but the matter should be that much.
मैम पर
Okay.
विशिंग में और मैम विश मैम किसी को भी लेटर या फिर कोई भी डायरी एंट्री लिखते हैं तो उसमें पहले विशिंग होता है, हाउ आर यू, आई एम फाइन, तो मैम उसमें
No, only,
20 words.
only in letter, not in diary entry. Because diary entry, you are writing for yourself. You are not talking to anyone or you are not writing to anyone else. So in diary, you don't write. But in letter, you
Ma'am.
can write. How are you? Yes.
Ma'am, couplets and bangle sailors are not. These chapters are not coming in exam.
These chapters we had to teach you, but they will not be coming in the exam.
मैम क्वेश्चन आंसर
मैम
लिखना
प्री
है
बोर्ड
You
एग्जाम
have read the circular.
मैम दे विल नॉट कमिंग इन
Circular
प्री
you
बोर्ड
have read?
एग्जाम.
Pre,
Yes, ma'am.
pre-board exam और final
मैम
exam.
इसे
also.
क्वेश्चन आंसर लिखना है
मत लिखिए अब, क्योंकि अब आ गया ना सर्कुलर, पहले नहीं आया था, अभी आया है. तो we have already taught you, but now it is not going to come in the exam.
मैम
Questions will
नोटिस
not
भी
come in from those two chapters. हाँ?
मैम नोटिस और एसी भी है, नोटिस और एसी भी डिलीट है.
हाँ तो नोटिस नहीं आएगी, नोटिस राइटिंग नहीं आएगी, आपको और चीज आएगी, डायरी एंट्री आएगी, लेटर आएगा, ये सब आएगा. It that
Ma'am,
writing
literature
section
is-
hardly matters.
Ma'am,
मैम ऐसे
ma'am
भी
only
है मैम.
notice. Ma'am, notice
Huh?
and message are not coming only.
हाँ तो नोटिस और मैसेज नहीं आएगा तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं आपके राइटिंग सेक्शन में.
Yes, ma'am. Literature में.
Article writing, you can get other things.
ऐसे
मैम
Isn't
ऐसे
it?
राइटिंग.
Yes, anyone wants any answer? Children, we have not done this. The word given below describe either Mr. Hill or Mrs. Hill. Read them carefully and now group them appropriately in the table given on the next page. Now, have you done this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now, rude. Who was rude?
Ma'am, Mr.
मैम
Hill.
मिस्टर हिल वाज रूड.
Mr. Hill.
Now you have to, from the lesson, you have to find out in which case he is being rude. Now, where is he rude? Can anyone tell me?
यस मैम.
We must get a
Ma'am,
new
can-
cook. He's being rude. Or you must talk to her today itself. That also shows that he is being rude. Next one, accommodating. Who's accommodating? Who is accommodating? Mrs. Hill.
Ma'am, Mrs. Hill.
Accommodating matlab? Ma'am, do we have to write the code? Yes, accommodating means. हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे accommodating को?
मैम
मैम जो एक दूसरे से घुल मिल जाए.
हाँ, आप किसी के साथ एडजस्ट करते हैं उसको अकोमोडेट करना बोलते हैं. Accommodating means adjusting. So who was adjusting? Mrs. Hill. Compassionate. Daya. Who was compassionate? Mrs. Hill.
मिसेस हिल वाज कंपैशनेट.
Yes. Arrogant. Who was arrogant?
मिस्टर हिल वाज एरोगेंट.
Mr. Hill.
Mr. Hill.
Self-centered.
सेल्फ सेंटर्ड
Mr.
वाज
Hill.
मिस्टर हिल.
बारे में सोचता है.
मिस्टर हिल.
Mr. Hill.
Indifferent.
मिस्टर हिल.
Indifferent. Mr. Hill. Considerate.
मैम
Mrs.
मिसेस
Hill.
हिल.
Mrs. Hill. Mrs. Hill.
Sensitive.
मिसेस हिल.
Mrs. Hill.
Now these words will help you to frame your answer also, children. That answer where Mr. Hill was earlier Mr. Hill was changed later on. In that question, you can give this, these adjectives you can use. Okay.
Ma'am, in C there is
Earlier,
a ma'am in
what type, and later on he what type he became.
ma'am in question
This
number C there
question
is a
comes,
question. On the basis of three
yes,
characteristics, compare and contrast the character of Mr. Heel with that of Mrs. Heel.
is it given anywhere? Okay,
Yes,
you have what?
ma'am.
These
Ma'am, in question number C.
yes. Compare and contrast the character of Mr. and Mrs. Hill. Now, these adjective will help you. Earlier, what he was, and later on, what he became. Yes. Earlier, he was very self-centered,
Rude.
indifferent, arrogant.
Ma'am, rude, arrogant, indifferent,
Rude,
Rude,
insensitive,
arrogant, and
self-centered,
and
insensitive,
later on,
indifferent,
he became very accommodating and
accommodating, considerate, sensitive,
compassionate, sensitive.
yes,
compassionate.
yes. So I hope everything is clear to you. Children, the four
Yes,
topics
ma'am.
which are left, someone was asking me, the four topics which are left, do we have to do? Yes, you have to do it. Which are given in the syllabus. I think you have got the syllabus, na? The four topics which are given, you have to do it. You can write it. Let me complete, then in revision period, we will do that. You remind me in the revision period. In revision period, we will be doing all that. Okay.
Ma'am, next day practice book.
Now next day, practice book you will bring. That is on Tuesday. Practice book. And children, be on time so that we can complete the syllabus. Otherwise, even 5-10 minutes matter. And here the network problem is there. So I'm a little late because of that only. There was no network. And that is why I was getting late. Yes, any queries, children? Anything you want to ask?
Ma'am, in pre-board exam, we have to go to school and then exam will.
Children, no idea at present when they will tell you or when we will be having meeting for this, then I'll let you know. You children, your work is to be prepared. Now, whatever type of exam, whether it is online exam or offline exam, that comes later on. First, you have to be prepared. If you know your subject well, anywhere you can give the test. Okay? So you keep learning. Don't waste your time. Now, hardly any time is left. And most probably your final exam will also take place by the end of January, I think. Usually it used to take in second week of February. Now, but this time I think it will take place earlier, a little early than that. So you have to be prepared. Now you don't have time to waste. This is for all of you. Okay. Anyone have anything?
No, ma'am.
Many people have asked me about deleted syllabus. I have told you, children, you don't have to do the question answer of that chapter because it was only to be taught, not to, it will not come in the exam. We had to just teach you, but it will not come in the exam. Yes? Any other queries?
No, ma'am.
Okay, we are running out of time. That is why I'm asking you. If anything you want to ask, be prepared with your practice book next class and complete all your work, children. Whether I see your book or I don't see your book, you should be sincere towards your work. Don't think that the teacher cannot see your copy or your book. Even your practice book, everything should be complete. Otherwise, you will be a loser. This whole year we have had only online classes, and this has made you very responsible. Okay, now you are more responsible. Why? Because you know that there is no one to check you. So you have to see that all your work is complete. Okay. See you in the next class. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.